You find yourself standing in a brightly lit electronics aisle staring at a sleek white machine that costs less than a decent dinner for two. It feels like a massive win for your wallet. You bring it home, unbox it, and see the marketing stickers promising artificial intelligence and months of free ink. It feels like the future is finally affordable. But that $60 price tag is not a bargain. It is an entry fee into a very expensive and very permanent ecosystem. There is a specific letter hidden at the end of the product name that changes everything. During the setup process, a friendly app nudges you to activate a premium service. They offer you an extended warranty and some free supplies to get you started. It sounds like a no-brainer. However, buried deep in the legal text is a one-way door. Once you flip that switch, your printer is permanently locked to only use original brand name cartridges for its entire life. There is no going back. You can never use a cheaper generic brand again. Even if you cancel your monthly subscription, that hardware block remains active forever. The math behind this strategy is truly wild. A standard black cartridge for this specific machine only lasts for about 130 pages. That is it. When you break down the cost, you are paying over 15 cents for every single black and white page you produce. If you want to print in color, that price jumps to nearly 60 cents per sheet. The starter ink they give you in the box has even less inside. You will likely be back at the store buying more within 2 weeks of your purchase. The company actually uses something they call dynamic security to actively block third-party ink. They use software updates to make sure you cannot save money. They have been sued multiple times across the world for this behavior. They have paid out millions in settlements. Yet they keep doing it because the revenue from ink is so massive that the fines are just the cost of doing business. Then you have the claim about artificial intelligence. It sounds groundbreaking. In reality, all it does is reformat a web page so it looks a little cleaner when it hits the paper. Your web browser has been able to do that for over a decade. Calling that smart tech is a total stretch of the truth. The head of the company even admitted to world leaders that they lose money on the hardware just to make it back on the supplies. If you decide to cancel your monthly ink plan, they can actually remotely disable the cartridges you already have in your house. Even if there's ink left inside, you cannot use it. It is a physical product that you bought, but they still hold the keys. This machine is not a scam in the literal sense because it does actually print and scan, but it is a trap designed to keep you paying every single month. If you print more than a few pages a month, you are better off buying a different brand that does not play these games. You might pay more upfront, but you will save hundreds of dollars in the long run. I spent days looking into this because I want to know what actually works versus what is just marketing hype. It helps to have someone looking out for your wallet. If you want to support these investigations, check out the links in the notes. Even a small kickback from your regular shopping helps me keep these deep dives going. Jeff Bezos won't miss the change, but it keeps this show running. Keep questioning everything and stay sharp out there.